Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school book app. First, download the app from your device's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Next, create your account using your school-provided login details or register as a new user. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the main dashboard, where you'll find all your assigned textbooks and essential learning resources readily available for you to begin your studies. To begin reading, simply navigate to the My Books section to access your digital textbooks. You can easily find specific chapters or topics by using the intuitive table of contents or the powerful search bar. For a truly personalized reading experience, adjust the font size, change the background color to a comfortable shade, and fine-tune the screen brightness to suit your preferences, ensuring optimal readability for hours of study. This app offers fantastic interactive learning tools to enhance your study. You can highlight important text passages and add personal notes directly within the book, just like with a physical textbook. If you encounter an unfamiliar word, simply tap on it to use the built-in dictionary for an instant definition. Plus, engage with embedded interactive quizzes, helpful videos, and supplementary materials to deepen your understanding of the subject matter. Keeping your learning materials organized is simple. You can create custom folders to categorize your books, making them easy to find whenever you need them. The app automatically syncs your notes and reading progress across all your devices, so you can seamlessly switch between your phone, tablet, or computer. Don't forget to utilize the convenient offline mode, allowing you to access all your materials even without an internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.